To begin with, every single driver will be receiving their own username and password. When you open up Geotab Drive, this is a screen that will prompt up in which place you will put in your username, and then it will prompt you for your password. Once it's entered, you can hit the I just to ensure that you entered everything correctly. You click Login. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to choose your vehicle. If there's a vehicle close by, it will pop up and you're able to select it. In case that the vehicle that you're looking for does not show up on this list, you can click over here at the top and enter in a vehicle name as well. In this case, if I wanted the Tucson, I would be able to select it, but we will be going with the Batmobile.